Hi everybody, and in this video I will show you how to remove the crankcase ventilation from the Audi A6 C5. Here we have crankcase ventilation. It sucks gas from this valve cover and this one. Next, all these pipes are connected to a T, and after it we have an ejectant pump. It sucks all gases out and feeds them back into the intake. First of all, let's disconnect the branch pipes of the valve covers here and here. Then we disconnected the magnetic valves and remove all the clamps. First we disconnected the crankcase ventilation system, CCV, from the valve cover. For that we squeeze the clamp on the fitting and tighten it. The same we do with the second valve cover. After it I disconnected all connectors from this platform, unscrewed this free bolt and took the platform aside. Next, we unscrew the clamps on the ejectant pump, and after that we will try to remove the CCV system. Well, we disconnected the clamps and now, by shaking, we're taking out the ejectant pump. Nice. Next, we just have to remove the clamp on the intake pipe, since now we have a free access to it. But here we get some trouble. The fact is that the branch from the TIG was some here, down under the throttle. That's why in order to disconnect it, you'll also have to remove the throttle. Or, as an option, you might try to disconnect the clamp on the T itself, but I called not do it. So we're removing the intake pipe, and for this we first remove sanch, a corrugation in front of the intake pipe. After that we unscrew one bolt from the throttle valve and somehow remove the intake pipe. That is the reason why the pipe is very hard to get out. That's all. We took the intake pipe out, but look how much oil has accumulated here. If we look closely, we can see that under the throttle we can already reach this offshot of the crankcase ventilation system. Alas, no matter how I tried, I could not disconnect this pipe. The throttle valve doesn't let me do that, so I have to remove it. To do this, let's remove the pipe that leads to the throttle valve and unscrew the remaining 3 bolts. We removed the throttle valve. Just look how dirty it is covered with oil. But let's put it aside and let's remove the remaining pipe from the crankcase ventilation system. Next, let's draw out the entire spider of the CCV system. We finally removed this crankcase ventilation system. Just look in what condition it is. Half of the pipes are wrapped with electrical tape, and the input is some spots are heavily cooked with oil. At the last step, we clean these pipes or change them to new ones. That's all, see you soon in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye.